How to fix Hinge application crashing while launching the chat screen. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix app crashing while launching Hinge app on the mobile. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If your app is crashing while launching the chat screen or anything like that, what could be the cause for this? The first thing you want to ensure is that you have a stable internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, if you're using Android, long press the Hinge app icon, tap on the eye icon, which is going to take you to your app information page, and from here you can scroll down to storage, where you can clear the cache files and also clear the data. Remember, clearing the data is going to log you out of your account, so you might have to re-log in again. After that, open up your Play Store or your App Store, check if your Hinge app is updated to the latest version, and if it requires an update, make sure to update it. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.